Wala pa kong dughan na daw.
Para sisi. Mahilak na lakas daw.
Balik na ako. Hiwa sa kuwang.
Kung naghiwalay kami ng asawa ko, ang isang bunso, isa pa rin tarantado. Di umuwi ng bahay. Sige lang doon kay Adarna. Kaya yung anak niya, nandiyan ngayon kausap. Ilang beses ko na kinausap. Sabihin mo yung, tanong ko yung apo ko eh. Kaya ko kinuha, nilagay ko doon isang bahay na maliit, yung katabi lang rin ng bahay ko. Wala dyan ang tatay. Sinong mahal mo? Papa mo, pati mama mo? Mama lang. It's tragedy. Pagsagot ng bata lang gano'n. It's a private family, but ako sinasabi ko sa inyo. Magagano na. Sabihin mo yung bata, mahal mo papa mo, mama? Mama lang. Sa bagay, ako man rin. Never got along with my father. Alam mo, sa totoo lang ang tatay ko namatay. Never, hindi nga niya siguro usok ang akalain ma-prosecutor ako, ma-mayor ako, tapos I was still a law student when he died. But I thought he would never have dreamt of... but my mother kept faith in me. Pero tatay ko, Bisaya kasi kami. Hanggang pantalan ka lang. That's an idiom actually sa Bisaya. It's not a cliche. Ibig sabihin, trabahador ka lang kasi hindi ka nag-aral. Sa pantalan ka lang. Oh. Yeah. Gusto mo? Pantalan ka lang, kargador. Basta bayaran lang ako sa gikarga ko, okay naman yan. Pero mahirap kung itiway ka. Well, taken about an hour and a half. But I'm sure that because of the eerie silence, either minumulto sa mga ginanong ko o talagang interesado kayo na whatever. Sinadya ko yan because as president, it tend that really to style man itong, old style man yan. Pati yung prompter na nabaro sa Congress na wala ako, nag-widow ako. Sabi ko, hindi naman gumagalaw yung yawa na yan. And I don't know whether, ayan si Jimmy, tanongin niya yung, I used to work for her, public order and security, ako niya when I was mayor, advisor. Maski yung patawag kami sa gabi, nagmumura talaga ako pag hindi na kami nakaintindihan doon. Lalo na yung oppression. I do not want oppression. So you have to work for the number of hours that you are paid. You are shortchanging government. You are paid to do a job for 300 pesos a day or 500. Then you only report once a week. That cannot happen. That is why nandyan yung 8888. Text lang ninyo, Bureau of what? Itong si name the director. Then spell out his sins and I will take over. Ang ayaw ninyong maniwala itong druga, it's surrounding us. Every day may briefer ako. I will publish the briefer. almost half of the 5 pages, puro droga yan all throughout the country. Yung bakit lahat nagpatay? Ipakita mo ito sa... This is the drug industry of the Philippines. Ayan yung mga polis. Oh. Ayan si Luoto. Gago. Listahan ito lahat. Elected public official. Ilocos Norte. Pangasinan, Ilocos Norte, Baleo Daya, Laslalong West, Lubog, Santa Lucia. Ito, for region. Region to. Yeah. Puro listahan niya. That's 6,000, 40% of the... Tapos sabihin mo lang ako, takot-takutin mo ako ng human rights. Pakain ko ito, bunganga nila. Oh, solve the problem. How do you solve? When you're complaining about how many? Hindi pa lang alam kung sinong pumatay. Calabarzon, Foreign National, Ohari Didukos Odo Chokwu. Itim itong yawa na ito. I think it is black. Barangay Captain Ricardo Hoy, I'll name you. Barangay Captain Ricardo Idol sa tingin. Calabarzon. Region 6, Judiciary. Judge. Yan ang trabaho ko. Kaya mainit ang ulo ko palagi. Gusto mo na, bigay ko ito sa'yo, pati posisyon ko. Ikaw na. Sige. Hindi ko makarga ang putang ina niya sa kabiga. Puro listahan niya. How do you solve the problem now? If you listen to this idiot human rights and give me the book. Tapos, Katoliko, studied in Ateneo, tapos ako ng San Beda. Pero, nandiyan yung libro? Hindi, wala. Inunahan ninyo ako. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag ninyong sobrahan eh. Kasi ako, tutuhanan. This is the book. It portrays a priest sa likod, patalikod. Altar of Secrets. I'll give you one if you want. By Ares Rufo. With introduction ni Marites Bitog. Sex, Politics, and Money in the Philippine Catholic Church. Sandali. Acknowledgement. This book is not divinely inspired. It draws inspiration and strength from the people who believed in the project, who believed that it was time to focus a different lens of the Philippine Catholic Church. These includes church people themselves who are aching for reforms and within the institution. The idea for the book came up after the news break published the stories of Bishop Crisostomo Yalong and Bishop Teodoro Bacani in 23. which I wrote. It was one of the best and the worst of times for the magazine. We broke silence of the misdemeanors of men, discussed troubles. Nandito si Bacane. Molestations. Okay man lang yan nung estudyante kami na mura-murahin kami. Pero malaki na tayo. Cut the crap. Ika nga. Hindi naman kami gagawa. That's why mabasa ito ng lahat ng college students. By the next generation, wala ng church. Just like in America, I'm sure everybody of you have been there. Sige kayo nung allowance ninyo malalaki. Noon, tapos may first thing, strip ka agad to ganon yan dito. So, I'm sorry, but I will control the rate now. Babaan talaga ninyo na to as in baba.